Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your school ID, email, and password and confirming internet access. Open the Google Classroom app or Classroom. Google. Com in a supported browser. This avoids compatibility issues. If asked, choose your school account rather than a personal one because roles and permissions differ. Once done, click Sign In. The system will direct you to your school's single sign-on page if used. Make sure pop-ups or redirects are allowed so the authentication screen appears correctly. You now enter the exact school email address, including the domain, because typos will send you to the wrong account. Next, type your password and use the Show Password icon to confirm characters if you're unsure. If your district uses two-factor authentication, approve the prompt on your phone or enter the code. This step protects student data. Once authenticated, the system will load your classroom dashboard. If you see multiple accounts, select the school one to load classes correctly. You finish by checking the classwork or stream tabs to confirm your courses and assignments appear. If classes are missing, sign out of other Google accounts and sign back in using only the school ID. Multiple sessions often cause conflicts. Make sure browser cookies are enabled and clear cache if pages fail to load. If you still cannot access Classroom, contact your school IT with your full account name and any error text so they can reset permissions or verify raw.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.